say 6 out of 10 will have 3 plants per mound. A few of them will have 2 plants per mound. Flat as grass. We're getting more rain down here. You can shake a dang stick at. Every time I want to come down to cultivate with the tiller, it's either raining or muddy. Today is muddy. It rained like heck this morning. Got more rain coming this evening. Well, I got these little flags. If y'all watch the video stream, that's where I planted a bunch of potatoes. Of course, I forgot. I got to review the videos too. I think this short row here is a special kind of Asian purple sweet potato. I think. Now, the longer row is just a regular old russet that we had at the house, and I started getting eyes on them, so I brought them up here, cut them up, stuck them in the dirt. Or this was a sweet potato halfway, then I finished that with russets. I just can't remember. Got to look at the video. Anyway, had this one coming up. I thought, well, that's a strange weed, or I got a potato plant coming out of the ground. So anyway, come over here. Got one here. Looks the same as that. Go on down. Got one come up here. Just like the other two. So I think those are potato plants. I'm not a potato farmer. I ain't got a clue. But for now, we're going to call those potato plants. This row here, where I'm standing, is a yellow crooked neck squash. The other outside row is a zucchini. My factory is real close to the railroad track. So other than the grass I need to till under, she ain't doing too bad. Between the mounds I got a little sharp point hoe, a triangular shaped kind. If I get feeling frisky, I'll come out and hoe between the mounds. Or not, you never know. But between the rows, I just run the tiller up and down it a few times, chop this grass up. It's a constant battle once it starts growing. Didn't want to put any Roundup out here. You know, some places I got to use it a lot around the building. But I try not to use it more than I absolutely have to. Now, it's not particularly nasty, but it's not good for you either. Anyway, might have taters. We shall see. I did find one little bitty pear on the pear tree. Hopefully, we'll get some more of those. Just mowed the grass last week, and it needs to be mowed again. Kind of tells you how much rain we're getting, and it is abundant. Anyway, that's all for this one. Oh, I'll be up at the farm Saturday, tomorrow. Check on my corn and my peas. See what's popping out of the ground up there. Thank you.